This tattoo kit has been ordered from KTS, which is King's Tattoo Supply. They have almost 15 branches all over India, and the branches are growing. So this kit has come to us from Bangalore, from the Bangalore segment, Bangalore facility. So let's see what all are there in this kit. So Gopal is unboxing this tattoo kit today, and we thought we should show each and every one of you how a tattoo kit looks, what all comes in it. Is it good for professional tattooing? Is it good for normal beginner? So let's see. The box looks pretty heavy. It's almost 3.5 kgs and looks very classy with the leather casing and finishing. Because this is not a basic kit, it is a little advanced kit, a little expensive one. That is the reason it looks so premium. So let's see the contents in it, guys. So we have tubes, a training CD, we have the disposable grips and tips, the extensive paper, tips, disposable tips, and tattoo power supply, tattoo machines too, then the power. Let's see how the machines work. They look pretty neat, very nice KTS, very good. Clip cord. Let's see the other tattoo machine as well, how it looks. Oh, nice, neat. Basically, they sell 2 tattoo machines in this kit. In the end, I'm going to talk about the price as well. How much is it going to cost? Is it worth or no? To me, it looks pretty much worth it. And it looks good build quality. That's the power supply. So this is a dual power supply. So once we are done, we will also test this and see. We will test and see how it's working. Those are the practice skins. So usually if you are a student, you would need these skins. It's very important to practice your tattoo. So they've given a very good number. 5 skins is a very good number. Then you have blue ink, and this is absolute blue tattoo ink. Look for beginners. Then extreme red, dynamic black. So dynamic is a very popular company, and it's been used all over India by most of the tattoo artists. And they gave Kurosomi grey wash. Kurosomi is a very famous Japanese thing. Even we have a big bottle of Kurosomi. And it gave needles. This is a 5-hour box filled with it. So they actually had mentioned that they gave 2 boxes of needles, whereas the other dealers only gave 1 box of assorted needles. The reason being, so this is 9 hours it seems. But the needles are very, very good. Diamond tattoo needles, pretty good. So 2 needle sets. One is actually expired tattoo needles so that you practice on the skin. And one is 7 hour. So one for practice, one for you to do on the customers. The foot pedal. Good, nice, different. They've given gloves, cream cups, the vitamin ointments. These are the A&D ointments by Tattoo Works. They are made in India. Ink cup stand holder, the disposable tips and grips. These are very useful, which is good. And they also have given the rubber grommets, drum band, Allen key, whatever is required for a tattoo machine or tattoo artist to perform, or an artist to perform his duty. Everything is in this kit. So సో హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ గోపాల్, ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది మీ రుచి? చాలా బాగుంది కదా. ఎందుకంటే previously also we ordered kits, but it was not this build quality. This looks very premium, very nice. The equipment looks very good. Leather, yeah. They gave a very good finishing. So it's nice. Thank you, King's Tattoo Supply. This is MJ Tattoos from Hyderabad, and we have received an amazing product from you all. Thank you so much. We'll keep ordering and we'll keep continuing our business with you all.